Arthrex table together. So first of all, what we do, we're gonna come here and look where your beds are. If it's sliding all the way up, you have to slide all the way back down. So this is sliding all the way on the top. Just to make sure you're gonna spend time to find it. All right, so now we have to remove this because we're gonna fit this at the end of the table. So I'm gonna take this off. There should be a leverage right here. You press that, bad boys, it comes off. All right, so now, right there, these things, those little knocks needed to go down so we can put our Arthrex table. So for that, I am going to. So you press 1, 2, 3, 4th button. This one right here, and all the way back down. These are facing down. So you slide. Do not slide all the way, and I'll tell you why. Why not? Here in the middle. Now let's stop. If it gets stuck, which just did, so you have a right little notch right here, you can push down and then you can slide it a little bit towards you. So right here, same thing. All right, so this is all good.
Why do you have it slide out like that?
Because whenever we put this other part, that kind of interferes if it's too close to this one. So here I want to show you right or left one. This is a little tricky. So if we're doing in the right hip, let's say, so it's supposed to be this small one to the operating side, the larger portion to non-operating side. But also you need to have a little gap here in the non-operative side. So you push. So these things actually comes off and comes off like that. So you push a little bit and leave this little space there so you can make sure it fits all the way. So we can adjust this a little bit. So that needed to be adjusted a little bit. Here, it hooks it, goes down. So now I can push it back. So those right here.
So why does it matter if this has more on its side than that side?
Because whenever we put a non-operative side, I'll show you this part right here. At the end, you will know because we need a little space for this guy to go in. So that's why we're doing that, to keep a little space there. So now I'm ready to push this back all the way. So, all right, this is all the way back. So make sure you tighten and make sure you put all that orange thing in. So that means you locked it. Otherwise, this will fall and you injure the patient. So very important. Do that, tight, tight. Okay, now I know that's good. So the next thing I'll do, all right, I'm gonna do this. Orange part is all gone, otherwise you're not locking it right. So make sure you might have to wiggle it a little bit. And just look at the picture. Should be this way. Alright, so that's that done. And the reason we wanted this to be little on this side, because we're putting the leg part here. So that's why. If this was over here, we would not able to do it. So that's the reason. Alright, so this is my not operating leg, because this is a left leg. Alright, so I'm going to hold this, and you see this is why we put that a little bit further down. So this is a little tricky here. Hopefully I can get it down. Just slide in. There you go. Alright, after we do that, always make sure you lock it. Boom. And then you can play with it and make a little space for you. And this is also unlock it so you can push back and lock it back. Alright. So check. Good. Now we are other end of the bag. Other leg. Alright, these are heavy. So So one thing, what I did earlier, just want to show, because if you don't have this push towards your operating leg, you don't have nothing here. So you can't fit. So always make sure you push that, have the little notch there, so you can fit that bed over there. Otherwise, you're gonna struggle like I did earlier. Okay, so other thing I want to show you guys, this one is supposed to be straight. If it's a little bit kink the other way, it'd be really tough to operate. So what I'm doing here, I'm pushing this right here, let it loose, and then trying to make it straight. So now it should be good. It's a lot easier. All right, so that's in. And then same thing, we're gonna tie it in and make sure the orange thing is disappeared and you only see the black part. So now, this one all the way down, and then you always put that
You have this on this, yep.
on there. So you hold it straight and then go, you still push the button. At the same time, you hold this lever and you should be good. All right. There you go. This is how we do our table. And one more last thing. All right. Can't celebrate yet. So this one goes. All right, clicks. So always loosen this a little bit. All right. Should be good. And then our last part is this one. This is also very tricky. Right here. So this one goes to the operating side here. Obviously there's a gap here. So whenever I'm taking this off, there's a little button here. So it goes that. So you always press that. And when I do that, do that and go all the way. Locks it. And you put that in there.
You pull down and then pull out, and you can go up and down with the operative leg, and you can also go side to side with the operative leg. Only the operative leg.
Nice.
And that's a hip scope.